Now we're going to attach our pom-pom. Now on this hat, I do have an incredibly large pom-pom here, and I do know that, but I'm still going to use it, and I'm just going to take my strings from my pom-pom and thread my darning needle and go through the middle of my hat and pull down on those strings. So see, I'm pulling it through. And there are two. So there's two pieces of yarn attached to my pom-pom. And I am just going to work this in as well, just like I did to close the hole in. Your goal is to secure the pom-pom so it doesn't get loose. So just work your way around and make sure it's nice and tight. So again, I'm just working my way around, securing that pom-pom. I'm going to take the two strings, make a knot, and cut it off. So here is how it looks.